Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 5 screws securing the filter housing. Use either a flathead or Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screws. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF3174 filter into the housing. Reinstall the screws. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.